news, my wonderful people. It's happening. We brought you up to speed yesterday that these people were in crucial meeting. Tinubu, and they were discussing about Tinubu, what Oshomole, Leilong, Atiku, Badigo, Adamu, Abdurrahim, others discuss at a crucial APC meeting is what's happening right now. That's what I want to bring you up to speed. Tinubu is not in the country, and guess what? These people are rising up and are meeting, planning his campaign, and what have you. Okay, they are planning his campaign and are looking at things and are asking, what's happening. So this is part of what is going on. And in case you are not aware, you'll be surprised and shocked, at the things that are going on and what we can do and how we can truly make a difference. Who do you want to vote for? Bottom line, that's what's happening now. Who do you want to vote for? Who do you want to vote for? Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. These are the people who are making, all these things. And if you don't know it, better know that there is call for concern. Okay? Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Regarding Tinubu, what Oshomole, Leilong, Atiku, Badigo, Abdurrahim, others discussed at APC crucial meeting. Yet, Tinubu not around. They meet to plan his campaign, and the man is out of the country, having what we call arrest. In a bid to put an end to the crisis threatening to rock the All Progressive Congress APC, members of the Presidential Campaign Council, PCC, governors of the party, and the Senator Abdurrahim Adamu-led National Working Committee met on Wednesday. Reports that the governors met with the NWC and the PCC had held at the Buhari's House National Secretariat of the party. Those at the meeting include the chairman of APC, Governors Forum, Abdurrahim Abubakar Badigo of Kebbi State. Other governors at the meeting were Abdurrahim Ganduje Kanu, Abubakar Badigo Mohammed Jigawa, Simeon Lelong Plateau, the Director General of the PCC, Abubakar Sani Bello, Abdurrahim Saliu Nasarawa, a former national chairman of APC, Comrade Adams Oshomole, and director at the PCC were also at the meeting. According to Vanguard, the meeting deliberated on the postponed zonal tour by the 6th national vice chairman and also discussed the modalities for the proposed APC national conference, which it intends to convene before the end of the year. The meeting also deliberated on the composition of the campaign council. The PCC director present at the meeting and who had earlier met with some of the governors on Wednesday night were said to have assessed the NWC that all grey areas in the campaign council list had been addressed. Speaking very carefully, he said Tinubu needs to bring the house together, as he is staying on one side and not holding everyone together may cause the party to fall apart. The elections are crucial. APC have to be very careful. Tinubu not being around and rumors flying, and yet he not rising up together to plan with the people, the governors, and NWC could cause the party to lose. On whether APC governors are displaced by the PCC as presently constituted, Badigun said governors are very, very proud of their party. We are very, very proud of our party leader, President Muhammadu Buhari. We are proud of the conversions that produced both our national chairman and the presidential candidate in the person of Ahmed Bola Tinubu, the vice presidential candidate Kashim, and others. We are looking forward to the campaign when Tinubu returns. So the governors of APC are meeting. Everyone is coming up to to bring their own contributing factor for the place to move forward. However, it's no longer business as usual. As you and I can see that things, like they say, fall apart when the center can no longer hold. So things are really being threatened. Yes, a lot of things are being threatened because they've not gone on, the way they ought to be. And so there are issues, there are all kinds of matters going on right now. Okay, so this is what is happening. This is what is going on. Nigerians, it's time to arise. It's time to ensure that we do what is right. We do what is necessary. We rise up to the occasion, and we do not allow the same people over and over again. There are all kinds of reactions and matters ongoing. There are all kinds of decisions being made, by politicians who know clearly that these people may not be capable of bringing the change Nigerians so desire. However, they go on and they want to impose these people on us. Okay, they want to impose these people on us, and it's not. It makes it quite interesting. Okay, it makes it quite interesting because the decision, okay, the decision to hold things down continues. Okay, decision to hold things down continues in the same vein, in the same way. And so it's time to make things, it's time to really make things change, and ensure that there is the change that we really look out for. Tinubu has not been able to manage his house, just like Atiku, and yet they want to manage over 2 million people, 200 million people, but they've not been able to manage their own present house. Okay, they've not been able to manage their own present house. So this is what is happening. This is what is going on, you see. Anyway, my wonderful people, it has become a point of call, and we all have to ensure that, we all have, to ensure that we take it really easy, make up our mind, and ensure that we have the change that we desire. Anyway, my wonderful people, it's time to make things, different for every one of us. Vote in a different person for once. Let's make a change. God bless you. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.